I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure an active Azure subscription, owner or contributor access, and billing set. Next, pick or create a resource group in the target region so latency is minimized. Once done, enable the Microsoft Databricks resource provider in the portal and verify you have permission to create managed identities and networking resources. Then click Create a Resource, search Databricks, and select Azure Databricks. Make sure to choose the correct subscription and resource group before proceeding. You now configure the workspace details. Enter a clear name, select a pricing tier that fits usage, and confirm the region. Then decide networking. Use public deployment for simplicity, VNet injection for control, or bring your own VNet for strict policies. Make sure to configure the managed identity or service principal for cluster operations and optionally attach a customer-managed key for encryption. Once settings look correct, review and create. Provisioning can take several minutes, so prepare any post-creation steps while you wait. You finish by opening the new workspace, adding workspace admins or users, and creating a minimal cluster to validate functionality. Run a simple notebook that prints Spark context and a sample data frame to confirm compute and storage connectivity. Make sure logging and diagnostic settings are enabled. If something fails, check role assignments for the managed identity, verify network security groups and route tables, and consult Azure Service Health for region issues. If needed, restart the cluster after fixes and rerun the test job to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.